Online, now we are discussing about online business opportunities. That is part 6 is real estate. In online also you can do real estate services through, suppose if you are having a good venture or multiple ventures, you can start a website. In that website you can put plot details and plans, and as well as houses and new house constructions, and all these if you put in a website, it is comfortable to you. Now we can go into the subject that in many states you can complete the required training, become a licensed agent, and start a new career in just a few weeks or months. While the initial investment of time, money, and effort can be a lot, it is often well worth the commissions. As a realtor, you can be your own boss, work a flexible schedule, and have the potential to make a lot of money. While there is no shortage of real estate agents in the industry, there is still plenty of space for agents who genuinely want to do the they best they can for their clients. The first step is to get a real estate license. That is most important. And real estate services means all will have certain bad meaning. That is, they will select a plot for 20 lakhs and they will sell it to 30 lakhs, not likewise. But certain increase of the cost, they may get it, they want it. But if customer is not preferring, means they will all automatically uh, they will reduce and they will sell it also. So that is the choice of the both sides, client and customer. So that real estate person will say, the in real estate you should be very sincere regarding the plot size and how many square feet it is there, and north facing, east facing, or west facing, or south facing, in which way it is there, and how drainage facilities are there, current facilities, how much it is there, 30 feet road is not there, is there or not, and which is the nearest center to that. Everything they should explain, and they should have a plan and map also, so that it will not give any comfort, any wrong also. But one thing I will say that regarding the cost, you should be very sincere. You can say immediately that if you are willing to take this plot for this approximately, you say that it is approximately 20 lakhs, means you say approximately you can 20 lakhs, but you can contact with the client and customer. Then if our owner is okay, then you can take for the less also. I am not I am the mediator only, just I will communicate with you, I will take the basic commission only, but I am the mediator only. You can talk with him. If you say in such a way sincerely, your business will be successful, and afterwards, after purchasing plots also, they will recommend other persons also. From mouth to mouth, your business will be increased like anything. So you should be sincere, and you should safeguard to your owners, and as well as those who are purchasing vendor and vendee also. So that is I want to discuss with you. Wishing you all the best. May God bless you.